Guys, so for today, we are donating someone a little robot here. So yeah, I don't know where to donate, but let's see. There's one here, but I don't donate. Never mind. Oh, we will see the bill. 34. Okay. Oh no. Regional pricing.
High music.
Too high, bro.
Bakit makain ba yan?
No, but we will pick the...
Ilang naninigan ng story lang. Naninigan niya.
Okay. So this... And...
Kung dalaw mong screen sa
No. You're too rich for this. Oh! Regional pricing. You're too rich now. Let me be your... So this is all left, guys. I have like 50 Robux. I'm not like gonna spend it too much. Oh yeah. We will donate this guy Robux 5. So yeah. Thank you guys. Yeah, I made the cut. Yeah, thank you. Okay, also we will give this one, we'll give her 5. So yeah. I'm spending all my Robux to this game. Yeah. I think. Thank you.